This is Drew with Lexus of Jacksonville introducing our certified pre-owned vehicle of the week. This week features our 2023 Lexus RX350. This Nightfall Mica RX has only 2,864 miles and has been marked down to sell at $59,991. This front-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 2.4-liter Turbo 4 engine and receives a combined fuel economy of 24 miles per gallon. This vehicle is equipped with an abundance of safety features including the pre-collision system, dynamic cruise control, and lane keep assist. Some of this vehicle's features include a digital rear-view mirror, heads-up display, and a 14-inch display equipped with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All Lexus certified vehicles go through a 161-point inspection. They come with an unlimited mile warranty for up to 6 years, the next 4 scheduled maintenances, and access to the Fields amenities including complimentary car washes in the Fields Cafe for breakfast and lunch. Stop by Lexus of Jacksonville today to test drive this or any of our great certified vehicles.